Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday. So, surprise, surprise, currently on my way to go work out at another surprise, surprise hot Pilates. After that though, I'm going to, again, surprise, surprise, Cha-Cha Matcha, but I have a meeting there this morning. It's like a really chill, just like, whatever. It's like it's a good one, but it's like a chill meeting to where I don't have to like, obviously like, you know, get ready and dress up and stuff like that. It's like a chill meeting, coffee meeting kind of thing. I don't know why I can't explain that to you. I start school tomorrow, like class comes back tomorrow, so get ready for college week of my life and stuff. It's gonna be really interesting because our school is like actually under, like where we go to school is like under construction, so like it's gonna be really, really interesting. Today I'm just gonna prep for going back to school, so when I get back, I've already done my laundry, I've been cleaning all weekend just in preparation. But I'll probably like pick out a bunch of outfits because I have really early morning workout classes this whole week. So I'll probably like pick out a bunch of outfits and meal prep and stuff. So I need to go to Trader Joe's. This vlog's gonna be like a little bit of everything. And then tonight, I'm not sure if I'll vlog it. I probably will, but Morgan, TK, Quentin, and I are having a pesto party. They've been like so excited about this for so long. So we're doing that. I need to edit. There's gonna be a lot of everything in this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe. Get ready for the college week of my life vlogs. I'm like so excited. Okay, I'm about to go to hot Pilates. Oh, I'm so excited. I love my life. This view is insane. Like every morning when I drive here, I'm just like, I love my life. Love my life, love my life. Hope you guys love your life. Alright guys, so it is 9:20 and I just got out of hot Pilates. I took a really, really quick like rinse off thing, but I'm definitely gonna shower when I get back. I'm heading to a Cha-Cha Matcha, like I said, for that coffee meeting. This is about to be my life. It's really early workout classes and getting ready in my car. I pretty much got ready in hot Pilates, but that is that. So I'm really excited for this meeting, guys. This is like very, very good. Also, isn't this thing cute? I'll have it linked on Amazon. I'm literally so excited for my college week of my life vlogs because it's gonna stop being repetitive. But the issue is that then those are just gonna get repetitive. So it is what it is. Also, this morning the podcast that I'm listening to is Battle Ready. This is one of my favorite, one of my favorite podcasts. I get so much from this podcast. I'm gonna post an Instagram and then I'm gonna get going with my day. But love Celsius, kiwi guava, it's the best. If you guys take hot classes, I only drink water normally in fitness classes, but this thing saves me because I feel like I'm gonna pass out and then it saves me, so. Walking into Cha-Cha Matcha, these are literally my favorite Monday mornings. Pilates and Cha-Cha Matcha, it's amazing. Just got back from a meeting and then I stopped at Trader Joe's to pick up some food. So I'm about to do some really quick meal prepping. This week is a weird week at school, so I don't even know how often we're gonna be like at a normal lunch. Like I feel like we're gonna end up going out. It's such a long story, you guys will see, but that's why this isn't like a really crazy meal prep. This is just like a meal prep for the week. So I just have healthy meals ready. But I'll do an entire video if you guys want to see on like my meal prep for like an actual normal college week. It's just like a little bit different because it's the first week. But I'm doing a whole plate of vegetables. There's olive oil on here. Oh, I haven't put the seasoning on. I still need to do that. I was like, this does not look right. And then I just have some chicken. I seasoned it with black pepper. Obviously there's olive oil and then lemon pepper. I swear by this seasoning for my vegetables from Trader Joe's. Guys, Trader Joe's is just like the best. My favorite topic in the secret Facebook group, or one of them that we have, which will be linked down below if you guys want to join, is Trader Joe's because there's so many good things. So I just season the vegetables with this and it's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I just showered. I just put on like my normal skincare and then I put on the cloud paint from Glossier. I'll show you guys. Currently already laying out my stuff for tomorrow because I'm crazy and I need to leave at 6 a.m. and I have a full day. And I have like a big day today, so I was doing that. I got this cloud paint as a recommendation from Monica, a subscriber who was working Glossier Boston, and I really like it. Oh my gosh, okay. This is the first time I'm using it. I put on a little bit too much, so I have to fix it before I go in public. But I like that it's like a no makeup look, you know what I'm saying? So I just showered and I changed. This is my outfit for today. Here's Coco. Hey girl. I just have a green sports bra on, black crop top, black biker shorts from Aloe, my Aritzia crew neck. I'm wearing my Ugg slippers right now. I'm actually going to head out in like an hour or two, but I'm just gonna get some stuff done here first. Finish meal prepping. I need to take a final for the summer, which should be really easy, and get my stuff situated for this week, and then I'm gonna head out and go get a lot of computer work done at a coffee shop, and then we have our pesto party tonight. But this is what I'm wearing right now. I'm already working on tomorrow, so I pretty much always have fitness wear like out on here, just so I have it ready for immediately when I get like up. I have just like a really small makeup bag for like school. I'll show you guys what I have in it. Oh gosh, my timer for my food is going off. I'll go more into depth in that later, and then I'm gonna like pick out my outfit and all that stuff. And this is the bag I think I'm gonna use for hot Pilates. I don't know, I'm figuring it all out. Okay guys, so I just finished my final. I'm officially done with my summer classes, and ooh, my hair looks rough. My fall classes start on Wednesday, but we have class tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then they start on Wednesday. I keep drinking water out of this. So this is what I made for my meal prep. The chicken is a lot better than it looks, I promise you. I'm gonna put these in boxes and then also have some for lunch right now. But this literally took me like maybe 3 minutes prep time. This is the easiest meal prep. It takes like maybe 5 minutes prep time and then 30 minutes to cook. Like it's under an hour. It's the easiest thing ever. So this is my lunch and this is the meal prep. I just have 3 meals ready. It literally took me no time at all. I'm gonna be doing a lot of like cooking and meal prep videos and like IGTV and Instagram stories and stuff, but it took literally no time and it's so good. So for right now, like I said, I have all my fitness wear ready for tomorrow morning. This is kind of packed up with what I'm going to need. In my closet, I have some outfit options for tomorrow, just so I have them, and I'll just decide tonight. That's already off. My food is ready. Pretty much my outfit's ready. My room is clean. I feel prepared for tomorrow, but I'm going to actually head off to, I'm gonna go to Quinton, and then we're gonna go work for a few hours. I need to edit and do a bunch of stuff like that. And then we're going to Morgan's for the pesto party. But I feel pretty prepared for the week. I've already been like cleaning and doing stuff like that this weekend. I'm just someone who has to feel like very prepared and on top of things and have like my house ready. Like when I go on trips, I clean before. Like I have to have everything just be like perfect and spotless. And that's pretty much how everything is right now. It feels pretty good. And when I get home tonight, I'm going to just lay out a few things. But I wanted most of it done because I have an early workout class tomorrow morning and I don't want to come home and feel like I have to do a bunch of stuff tonight. So I just wanted all of that like finished, and then so I can just come home, make sure everything's good, put my stuff on the chargers, and then just like get out in the morning. But tomorrow is kind of like an intro day. It's not necessarily even like a huge, it's not like a classwork day. So it's like a really chill day. It's the first day, whatever. I'm going to head off really soon. I need to like change my shoes. Unfortunately, I cannot wear my Ugg slippers everywhere I go. It's like very upsetting. Guys, my 2 favorite necklaces, I just got them so tangled because I threw them in my purse. So I've been trying to untangle them, and I'm hoping that like one of my friends today can, because I really was gonna wear both of these. Like, just, that's literally the worst. So this is my outfit for today. I'm gonna put my Aritzia crew neck on over just in case I get cold. Black crop top that I always wear, green sports bra, Aloe, biker shorts like I said earlier, Yeezys. All right, it's really hot out. I think I'm actually gonna call my best friend Maddie Trout from home and catch up, because this is about to be like a 35-minute drive right now. Oh, it's freaking hot, but I feel very accomplished because I've gotten a bunch of stuff done and I feel very good about my day besides the fact that it's hot. So I'm probably just going to call a friend. Here's the thing about driving in traffic in LA. It's like, yeah, you spend a lot, ooh, come on. It's like, yeah, you spend a lot of your time in the car, but you can listen to more podcasts and you can catch up. Like I use that time to like call my family and like whatever. So little tangent, but it's really not that bad. And it's really hot. So I will talk to you guys later. Probably when we get to Joe and the Juice. Hey guys, we worked at Starbucks for a while and now we're actually just ordering John and Vinny's tonight. So we're on DoorDash making an order. I feel really good at just having my matcha today and not 17 coffees. So that's where we're at right now. This is my new favorite stuff right now. Woo. What were you saying?
No, they've got.
Wow, what a sight.
Experience. That was a treat. He was really friendly.
That was so quick. What a sight.
You guys walked in at like the exact moment.
I know. Wow, perfect timing.
Wow. What a
Love
time.
this.
Awesome.
All right, guys, so I'm at Morgan's now, and we ordered some John and Vinny's. So we got the, like, I don't remember what it's called, the pepperoni pizza. And then, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Spicy fusilli. Pasta, that's my favorite. Oh, we got bruschetta. I got 2 orders of it because I figured we need it. Morgan's pasta and more, which I guess we didn't really need that much. I didn't realize that they were that big. And we got pizza too, but it's fine.
I was like, Kenzie, is this the last supper? You kept just sending thing after thing.
It's just John and Vinny's, like you have to.
Have you ever had John and Vinny's?
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope this is my favorite restaurant. I hope it doesn't disappoint.
Monumental time.
Quentin acts like he literally had it one time. I got,
Listen.
no, let's bring it back to me. I got Quentin reservations to John and Vinny's day of for his birthday. Day of. That is unheard of. I'm powerful, right? I know, exactly. Yep, so here we are. Okay guys, I'm back home and look at my fun new little poof thing. I got this thing I was gonna put in my living room, but I honestly think I'm gonna put it in my room and use it as like my vanity. Hi, I changed into my pajama set and use it as like my vanity chair, because then that way I can keep this thing over here, and I normally will keep like, I'll normally keep like tea and my books and my phone or like whatever on there. So I actually really like that there, and I really like this here, but we'll see. Also, this is broken and it is driving me absolutely insane. I just changed. I need to go do my skincare, which I'm actually going to show you guys. But I changed my outfit for tomorrow. So I just need this for the morning when I go work out immediately. And then I have my stuff to go get ready after. I'm gonna go shower in like basically our student housing and like my friend's like dorm, but it's an apartment. And then get ready for the day. For my first day back at school, my shoes are so, like, how did I let Yeezys get this bad? It's just like, I shouldn't be allowed to have nice things. It's not good at all. The Glow Recipe sent me a package though that it just came home to. It's the avocado line with the retinol, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try this tonight. There is a sleeping mask, which I love sleeping masks because I'm really lazy and I don't want to take off. And then I have the eye sleeping mask, which I've never used an eye mask before, so I'm excited to try these out. Hi guys, I'm like standing on my tiptoes so that you guys can even see me. It's all good. So I'm whispering because I think my roommates are sleeping, but one other thing I want to talk to you guys about is I got Bioderma. I ordered this on Amazon. Old school YouTube. I ordered this on Amazon. A lot of people I saw, I don't really know. I think I was watching some like Vogue skincare things, which like who knows if it's even real. But a lot of people were saying that on set and stuff, everyone basically uses Bioderma and raves about it. I don't know too much about it. I just picked it up. It's like micellar water essentially. But I picked it up to try it, and so far I've really liked it. Also, I'm trying to like I need to go back to being really routine with my like on a skincare routine. I feel like I haven't been like in a routine in a bit, like on a strict routine, which is crazy, and like my skin has definitely not been like its best. So I need to just go back to actual like, you know, actual routines, because like that makes sense. So, but I really do like the Bioderma. I've been using it for a few days and I just like have actually really liked it, and I like how it takes off my makeup like way better, so I love that. From here I'm just gonna put on some witch hazel. This is what I use, also on Amazon. I'll have my Amazon page linked down below. Using a toner though completely evens out my skin tone. It's so crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe avocado mask, the sleep mask. I'm excited to try this out. So now we're gonna try the avocado sleep eye mask. See how that goes. I've never used like an eye mask or like really even an eye cream. Should I be using that? I feel like prevention for sure, right? Okay, so my next vlog, I'll update you guys on these products and how I've been liking them. I love a good sleep mask because less work for me, you know? Love these. Okay, so I actually ended up just packing a gym bag with like my clothes and stuff to get ready for tomorrow. I have my stuff up for the morning. I found my hydro flask, thank God. I was actually thinking about that today. I wish I had a white one because this pink one is just so much. I'm gonna use this for my cold brew in the morning, and then I have my bag packed for actual class. So now I'm just very, very organized. I'm gonna have so many bags in the morning, but it's gonna be okay. So now I'll also turn off the light, turn off this light, do some reading on my iPad, and go to bed. It says 1:27, but that's just because it hasn't been hooked up to Wi-Fi since I've been in Boston. So it is not 1:27, it is 10:27. Thank God. That was it for today. It was a great day. 10 out of 10, cannot complain. I'm gonna charge my camera, read, and go to bed and wake up for Pilates. That is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me prep for the week, prep for school, a little John and Vinny's, a little bit of like normal life. I feel like there's like a little bit of everything in today's vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish all of you guys best of luck on your first day of school if you guys haven't already had that. Comment down below when you guys go back to school, or if you're in school or if you're not in school. Actually, I really want to know that. Comment down below and tell me if you are in school or if you aren't in school. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you soon.